Hi everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Talk Fluently. I'm really glad you're here. Ready to ditch those common mistakes and speak English like a confident, caffeinated native? You're in the right place. This is Talk Fluently, and in just 15 minutes, you're going to learn, laugh, and speak better English. Let's do this. Imagine telling someone, "You look so boring." Oof. You just insulted them big time. The fix? Boring is what causes boredom. Like that 3-hour documentary on paper clips. Bored is what you feel. Like during that date where someone recited cricket scores. Quick test, Vanessa's lessons are not __________. I never feel ___________. 3, 2, 1. Answer, not boring. Never feel bored. Nailed it. I don't feel good. Technically? Nope. You feel well when you're healthy. Good is for things. That's a good sandwich. Well is for how you feel. I don't feel well. And yes, everyone says, pretty good when asked, "How are you?" It's wrong, but common. Like socks with sandals. Mini quiz, I need to do _______ on my test for a _______ grade. 3, 2, 1. Do well, get a good grade. Work equals noun or verb. I work hard. I love my work. Job equals only a noun. I love my job. Feeling difference? Love my job equals I enjoy it. Love my work equals I feel it deep in my soul while holding coffee dramatically. Quiz, for my ________ I need to _______ late hours. 3, 2, 1. Job/work. Yup. At is for specific times. At 5 p.m. At midnight. In is for durations. In the morning. In 5 minutes. Quiz, ________ 3 days, my vacation starts. I won't wake up _______ 6 a.m. Answer, in 3 days. At 6 a.m. Your alarm clock just shed a tear. You can say talk to or talk with. No one will judge you. Some say talk to sounds more bossy. Talk with sounds friendly. But in real life, they're used interchangeably. Use either. Speak freely. Here's how to sound like a native, or a sitcom character. Hard R, early, bird, worm. Feel the growl. Growling. Linking S plus vowels. Your guess is as good as mine equals, "'Gaz as good as mine." Stopped T, don't bite sounds like Don bite. Cut that T. No puff. T becomes D, get out of hand equals get out of hand. Yep, the T becomes lazy. Strong ER, feather, together. Say it like you mean it, feather. Together. That's 15 powerful phrases. Bonus? You now know how to decorate like a pro. You did it. In just 15 minutes, you squashed 5 grammar mistakes, nailed 5 pronunciation tips, and mastered 15 phrasal verbs. Gold star. Thanks for joining me here on Talk Fluently. Hit the next lesson to learn how to pronounce like a native. See you next time.